Yo, I'm David at Diesel Power Products, and today we're installing a factory aftermarket branded light bar mount. Basically, this is going on the front of our 2023 F-250 Tremor, and it's going to end up housing 5 LP9 Baja Designs lights. Pretty cool piece, and obviously it doesn't take a whole lot to install. We've got to do a little bit of cutting on some plastic on the front of the truck. It gives us a template for where to drill our hole, which is just a basic 2-inch hole saw, and then a couple 18mm bolts, and this thing will be installed. They give you this handy dandy template, and you set that in your piece to be drilled. Drill on the mark. All right, we got the pilot hole drilled off of the template, and now I can use my 2-inch hole saw and run through here. All right, piece of cake. And grab some sandpaper and I'll clean up this edge, and then we should be ready to cut the other side, drill it, and then bolt this thing all together. There's a little bit of back and forth, like making sure it fits perfect. And we were close on the first shot, but we're gonna end up sanding it out a little bit. I just have a rotary file with a barrel sander on it. We'll clean this edge up. So these are just a factory bumper bracket bolt. There's 8 of them on the front of here, so pulling these 2 of them out isn't really gonna mess with anything. This part I am gonna run in by hand because I definitely don't need to go and cross thread this thing with an impact wrench. Oh, I think we got where we're going. It bolted right up to the frame horns, bumper brackets, and it's good to go. Now I just gotta track down all my lights and start mounting those things. That was pretty quick. Factory aftermarket light bar installed. Pretty cool piece. I definitely like the fab work on this thing. It's pretty heavy duty. It's got some cool finger mounts. That's what we used to call them back in the old desert racing days. So pretty neat that this thing fits as well as it does and didn't take hardly any time at all.